If you're thinking about buying Sharetribe for your marketplace, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. While Sharetribe offers great features, there are some key aspects that could make or break it for you, depending on what you're looking for in a marketplace platform. In this video, I'll go over 7 things you should consider before you commit. Stick around because we'll dive into why Sharetribe might be a great fit for some, but not for everyone. First, it's important to mention that Sharetribe offers a completely free trial. Check the first link in the description for exclusive access to that if you want to try it yourself. But before jumping in, let's look at the first thing you should know. The platform is primarily designed for peer-to-peer marketplaces. If you want to create a marketplace like eBay or Etsy, where individuals can sell to other individuals, Sharetribe is built for that. However, if you're thinking of building a more complex marketplace with advanced features or enterprise-level needs, Sharetribe's out-of-the-box features might fall short. It's a simpler solution compared to competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, which offer a lot more customization and flexibility. Next, you should understand that Sharetribe's customization options are limited unless you're comfortable with coding. While it offers a few design templates, those looking for more advanced customizations will likely need to dive into the code or hire a developer to make changes. Compare that to platforms like Magento or WooCommerce, where you get far more control over your store's design and functionality out of the box. The third thing to consider is the scalability of Sharetribe. It's great for small to medium-sized businesses, but as your marketplace grows, you might hit some limitations. The platform is cloud-based, but if you want to scale significantly, let's say to thousands of users or complex product features, you might outgrow Sharetribe. Unlike platforms such as Sharetribe's competitor, Arcadier, which can handle a broader range of marketplace types and more intricate setups, Sharetribe may not provide the scalability you're looking for long-term. Moving on, the fourth thing to keep in mind is that Sharetribe doesn't have its own payment gateway. Instead, it integrates with Stripe to process payments. While this is fine for most, if you need more robust payment handling or wish to offer additional payment methods, you'll be relying heavily on external integrations. In contrast, platforms like WooCommerce allow for a broader selection of payment gateways and configurations, giving you more flexibility. The fifth thing you should know is that Sharetribe has a strong community and support system. But if you're comparing it to a platform like Shopify, Sharetribe's support is a bit more niche and doesn't offer the same level of in-depth resources. If you're a newbie to building a marketplace, you might appreciate Shopify's easier-to-follow tutorials and vast user forums. Sharetribe's community is smaller, but it is still very active and helpful. The sixth thing is pricing. Sharetribe's pricing model is subscription-based, which is great for startups, but if you scale up, it can get expensive. Sharetribe's higher-tier plans are priced similarly to platforms like BigCommerce, but with fewer features. So if you're just starting out and want something affordable, Sharetribe might be the right choice. But if you have an eye on future growth and need advanced features, you might want to consider a more flexible option. Finally, one of the best things about Sharetribe is its ease of use. Unlike more complex platforms, Sharetribe allows you to set up and launch a marketplace fairly quickly without needing technical skills. You can start with a template and have your site up and running in no time, making it ideal for entrepreneurs who need a fast, simple solution. However, if you're looking for deeper integrations or advanced functionality, you'll find other platforms more robust. If you're still wondering whether Sharetribe is the right platform for you, it all boils down to what your goals are. For a simple, user-friendly marketplace that you can get started with quickly, Sharetribe is a solid choice. But if you need more advanced features or plan on scaling big in the future, you might want to consider other platforms that offer more flexibility. So, if you want to try Sharetribe yourself and see if it's the right fit, click the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial and some bonus benefits.